Hi guys. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will operate our Raspberry Pi with our laptop. We will see how we will operate our Raspberry Pi without any external peripheral devices. According to this diagram, we will connect our setup. Let's start. Before we set up, if you are using Raspberry Pi first time, you need to install VNC Viewer in your Raspberry Pi through external monitor and peripheral device. I have mentioned a link in description for how to set up Raspberry Pi for VNC Viewer. So we need a Raspberry Pi. I have used Raspberry Pi 3, model B+, a router, and an Ethernet cable. First, we will power our router. Second, we will power our Raspberry Pi. Now, we will connect an Ethernet cable from our Raspberry Pi to the LAN port of the router. Please be careful while inserting an Ethernet into LAN port, not in WAN. WAN port is used for internet cable. We are done with setup. Let's start setting up our software. We will download VNC Viewer software. Click on the first link. Download and open the setup. Now we will log into our router homepage. From here we will find the attached device. We see Raspberry Pi is connected to our router. We will copy the IP address from here. Now we will open our VNC Viewer. On the address bar we will put the IP address of Raspberry Pi we have copied. And press enter. Press continue. Login into your Raspberry Pi. And here we go. We are now have remote access to our Raspberry Pi from our laptop. We have different views for your screen display. You can now operate your Raspberry remotely from your laptop. Thanks for watching the video.